Hello, in this video I am going to make Czechia flag by using HTML and CSS. Let's start. So I have my CSS file here and you can see it like this, it is empty. So I am going to add div firstly and it is going to have a class. Let's name it Czechia. Then I am going to have another div in order to add the triangle on the left side of the flag. And it is going to have a class Czechia triangle. So we can start styling now. Firstly, I am going to remove margin, padding, and box sizing is going to be border box. And let's style body as well. I want to use whole width and whole height of the browser. So because of this, I am going to use width 100 VW and I want to use whole height of the browser. So I am going to use height 100 VH. I want to center all my items. So because of this, I am going to use flexbox. So display flex. In order to center my items horizontally, I am going to use justify content center, and in order to center my items vertically, I am going to use align items center. So we can start styling our Czechia class. Czechia. It is going to have position relative. It is going to have width 400 pixels. Height 300 pixels. Let's give a background color and see how it seems on the browser. Let's give red color. So here we see that our item is in the center. So this is good. And the size of the item is good as well. So we can continue. So firstly, I am going to need white color and red color. In order to add these colors, I am going to use before and after. So let's start. Czechia. Before, and this is going to have content empty string and position is going to be absolute here. Width is going to be the same as the container, which is Czechia 400 pixels, and height is going to be half of the container, so 150 pixels. It needs to start from top 0. And let's give a background color and see how it seems on the browser. Background color red, and we do not need this one anymore, so we can check it now. This seems good. So we also need to add the different color. So because of this, we need to use after, and we can use green now. So now red color disappeared. Why? Because before starts on the top and after also starts from top, but after needs to start from bottom. So now it should be okay. So basically it starts from here and it takes height until here, and after basically starts from here, as it has the same height, it goes until here. So we can continue and we can put our normal colors now. This is not red, this is white. And we can put our red color instead of green color. So let's see, it seems good, but maybe we can add box shadow because this white doesn't seem so good. So let's put a box shadow, 5 pixels, black. So it is okay for now. So we also need our triangle on the left side. So let's work on our triangle. So I am going to copy our class. So it is going to have content, empty string again. Position needs to be absolute again because I want it to start here. So it starts from here because the container has relative. So if you put container as relative and the children's as absolute, and if you set top 0, it is going to start from here. So we can start styling our triangle. In order to make a triangle, I am going to use border. So firstly, I need to use border width. So we can set 150 pixels and 200 pixels. It needs to be okay here. I am not sure, but we can fix it later if it is not okay. And we need to have border style. It needs to be solid. And we need to have border color. So let's make it green for now and see how it seems. So here, as I see, there is an issue. The green color is below red color. So let's fix it first. So we can have the index and we can put like this. So this is our border, but it is too big and it doesn't make sense to use it like this. So we need to configure this. So let's configure. So we can make transparent, 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 and green. So as you can see, this is what we want now. And we can put our normal color as well, like this. And now this is a Czech flag. So why we have transparent here? You can use it like clocks. The clock starts from here, then it goes right, bottom, and left. If we make it the same color here like this, the top has the color like this. But if we set it like this, the right side has also the color. If we set here, the bottom also has the color, but we do not want this. We just want transparent in order to make it look like Czech color. So now it seems like Czechia flag now. So I hope you liked the video. I am going to be happy if you can like and comment the video. If you would like me to make different country flags, just comment it and I am going to make it. Have a good day.